there ain't no stopping us.
Hey, what's up guys, Mr. Tech here and welcome to another video. So today we are going to unbox the Cosmic Byte CB-GK03 mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is the best budget mechanical keyboard available in the market with some competitors. We are going to talk about them also. I'm going to tell you what is special in this. So on the box we got some multimedia functions and showing that it has mechanical blue switch with RGB backlit with effects. So this is pretty much it on the top, and on the bottom we have some again the picture of the keyboard and some multimedia functions, also some keyboard features which are the main keyboard features, like it is a 104 key mechanical keyboard with full size. So it has 104 keys with full size mechanical keyboard, and the lifetime of the mechanical switches and some size of the keyboard, wire length, voltage, etc. So now without any further ado, let's dive inside the box. So the first thing which we see is the rest pad. It is a red rest pad which is made up of plastic, and it has some glossy look which helps it to make it good look, but it would be good if it matched the keyboard. But anyways, so the next thing is the keyboard. And beneath the keyboard we have the user manual which explains all the backlit functions and all the functions of the mechanical keyboard, all its features, dimensions, wire length, voltage, and in details, and many more. So these are the two things which come along with the keyboard. The rest pad, it is plastic and seems not to be durable, but since it is a rest pad, so it doesn't need any durability. And the keyboard, the top of the keyboard is made up of aluminium, as it was mentioned on the box and in the description, but the bottom is made up of plastic. It also has the sound of the keyboard is very good. I'll show you later in the video. The cord is quite long as expected and is made up of a good material. I guess it's nylon, so it's seem to be durable. It won't get tangled by the time, and the input device is USB 2.0 with the gold plated USB, so the connectivity is good, and here you are getting some good features at very good price. So on the top of the keyboard and on the both side of the keyboard, Cosmic Byte is written on it, which will, I guess, glow when we plug in. And so the back has some rubber pieces attached to it to increase the friction, and these rubbers are high quality rubbers which really increase the friction, and when you push the keyboard, this rubber helps to prevent the pushing by your hand while gaming. So it is very easy to connect the rest pad to the keyboard. You just had to flip the keyboard upside down and see where the gaps are and just fit it. So as soon as I connect the keyboard to my PC, it will start glowing with its default pattern. So to increase or decrease the speed of the backlight, you just need to press the function key, and the back or the left or the right key on the arrow, in the arrows key, it will automatically adjust the speed, and the brightness is controlled by the up and down arrow key. Function plus up arrow key changes to brightness level up, and function plus down arrow key changes to brightness level down. And to change the backlight effect, you just need to press the function and the scroll lock key. It will change backlight effect and it has 13 backlight effects which I am showing you in the video. Since it is RGB, you can change the color by pressing the function and the home key. It is not actually fully RGB because RGB promised to give you about 16.8 billion colors, but it has somewhere 8 different colors. I'm not sure, but it is not fully RGB, but still it is having some good real colors. So it also comes with 8 custom gaming modes. Just you need to press the function and the one. You can also change the color by pressing function plus home key. And you have 8 custom gaming modes. The first one is WASD and the arrow keys. Second, third, it also has 3 customized mode. You can access it by pressing function plus del or and or page down. What you can do is when you press the function plus del, you can customize your own buttons by pressing them and it will glow up. You can change the color also, and whenever you need them you just press function plus del if you edited it in the del to access it. You can also record some customized button in function plus end key, and you can do like glow up any buttons you want. You can also change colors by pressing those buttons again. It will result in changing the button colors of the button, and to end the customization you just need to press the end again. It will record your buttons and you are all set. Just press Fn plus del or delete or Fn plus endel to customize. You can do the same from page down. You will also see that the side logo of the Cosmic Byte also start illuminating. So you can also control the lighting of this. Just you need to press the function plus paste key which is beside the function key, and to change the effect, it won't change the color but it will change the effect, like it will start breathing or it will stop glowing. So now the sound test. So as you have heard that the sound of this mechanical keyboard is quite good. It is quite impressing typewriter, so at this price of range it's great. So all the things I have tested so far on this keyboard was great. It has anti-ghosting, some gaming features, but let's talk about the cons. The only thing which I don't like about this keyboard is the font. There you can't tell the difference between the G and the 6 and various other things. Like the font could be quite good, otherwise the keyboard is pretty impressive. Like for 3000 rupees or I don't know how much from you are buying, but you can't get the keyboard like this. There are also keyboards present in the market like the Redgear and the Motospeed Inflictor. So the Redgear keyboard is also good, but it doesn't have the backlight RGB actually. So you will be getting LED effect, not RGB. So there will be a single color, not multiple colors. And if you are planning to buy the Motospeed Inflictor CK104, it's great. It's also great. That keyboard is also great, except that keyboard is compact in size. So if you are looking a keyboard which is small with 104 keys, you can go for that keyboard also, but there would be no rest pad, and you will be also missing the feature of having a big size. Otherwise the sound of the keyboard is quite good. So the only competitor of this keyboard in the market is the Motospeed CK104. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a thumbs up. If you loved it, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.